So welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can assign a co-author for your course so that you can two or more teachers can collaborate together for a course. Now let's say if one subject is taught by 2-3 different teachers, so other teachers can be co-authors of that course and then they can add the content and also evaluate assignments as well. So for that, first let's say we're logging in with the teacher's username and password. So once you log in your Teach tab, click on Open in a new tab. It will open you up into a new tab in your course page. So for the course that you have created, now I want to give access to another teacher. So for that I'll go to the Edit Course. So over here, now in your Edit Course page, go to Course Settings. In Course Settings, click on Author. Select the author you want to work with you and click on Update. So now the second colleague of yours who you have selected as a co-author, I'll open their login and show it to you that how it looks like from their login. For currently, now we are in Vedant Dikshit's profile and we have added Praveen Dikshit as a co-author. So now I'll log in Praveen Dikshit's account and I'll show you how it looks like from their login. So coming back now, I have logged into Praveen Dikshit's account. If you're able to see over here, Praveen Dikshit. Okay, I'm clicking on Open in a new tab. So now I can see that he has given me co-author for class 10 Vedant Dikshit's course. So let's say as a co-author, what I would like to add. So I'll click on Edit. Now I can see the courses lesson added by the author. I can click on Edit Item and I can edit the contents of the lesson. Similarly, one more request was made to us regarding that teachers should be able to evaluate each other's assignments. So from now, your co-author can evaluate their colleagues' assignments. They can add, they can edit each other's content as well. They can add lessons. Let's say I'm adding. So in this way, co-author can add content into it. They can add a lesson or quiz or an. Just have to remember that a co-author can add a lesson, quiz and assignment inside the course. You cannot add your individual lesson, quizzes and assignments into the course if you are a co-author of the course. So that's all about co-author access. Thank you.